Assalamu alaikum. Improve your listening skill. You are going to listen a passage and answer the questions. Nowadays, more and more people want to keep fit. Fitness is the key to health and happiness. To be fit, you need to eat well and do a lot of physical activity. If you don't exercise properly, you may become overweight, which can cause health problems. If you are fit, your mind also works well. You feel good. To stay healthy, eat a variety of food, especially fruits and vegetables. Different types of food supply you with the nutrients that your body needs. Drink plenty of water. Cut down on watching TV and eating fast food. Now it's time to answer the questions. What is the key to health and happiness? What does our body need? Which can cause health problems? What do we need for our body fitness?